If your kitchen sink smells like something died in it, there's a good chance it's coming from your garbage disposal. A lot of people try things like baking soda and vinegar or grinding up ice, and those things can help a little bit, but they usually don't fix the real problem. In most cases, the smell isn't actually coming from deep inside the disposal. It's coming from right here. It's this rubber splash guard. Food and grease build up under it, and over time it turns into a slimy layer that starts to smell. It's full of bacteria. The good news is that this is easy to clean. Just use a little bit of dish soap and a brush, even an old toothbrush or a rag, and clean underneath these flaps. That's where most of the smell is coming from. Some of these splash guards will pull right out, and that makes it very easy to clean, but this one doesn't, and that's normal. Don't force it or you might tear it. Either way, just spend plenty of time getting the underside of that splash guard clean and the upper part of the disposal clean where the splash guard sits. And if you'll get all that grime and sludge off of it, you should get rid of the smell. You can see by looking at this rag that there's a lot of the grime on the underside of that splash guard. Just keep cleaning till you don't get anything else off of it. Now, if you want to clean the inside of the disposal, you can run some ice through it, and that ice will help to knock off any food particles that are stuck inside the disposal or on the blades, so it can help with the cleaning process some. And, contrary to popular belief, the blades in the disposal are not sharp, so the ice does not sharpen the blades. It simply cleans them to help the disposal to run a little bit smoother. Now, you can use some baking soda and vinegar if you want, but it's not really going to fix that smell as long as that rubber splash guard is dirty. And I like to finish up by putting a cut up lemon down the disposal and running it. And that lemon will give it a nice, fresh, clean smell to finish up the cleaning process. The important thing to remember is this: if you clean that splash guard and around that splash guard and get all that slime out of there, you're going to fix most garbage disposal odors. It's a simple fix that a lot of people miss. I hope this video has been helpful to you. I really appreciate you watching. Have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it's been helpful to you. If it has, please click that like button down below. Also, I sure would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. That way you can be notified when new videos come out. Thanks again.